When you're using Unity, you might want to create multiple screens to see how your game will look like. So on the game window, what we're going to do is to create some screens. Here where it says free aspect, we can change it to a 16:9 aspect ratio, 16:10, or we can use a full HD resolution. Here, I have some custom screens where I can set this to a NES retro look, which is a 320 by 180, or a larger look, which is a 480 by 220. So let's see how you can create your own custom windows. So go down here to the plus icon and go for fixed resolution. Let's give this a label. Let's call this 6:4. And for the window width, we'll set this to 640. And for the height, we'll set that to 480. That's a good aspect ratio for video games. So I'll click OK. And now you can see we have a 6:4 view. We can drag this to scale our window, or we can set this to any of our custom resolutions.